Hello, my name is Mwani Wilkinson, and this is my ELRC 3500 website. So first we have the biography. This was the first assignment that we did in this class. This is just a little bit about myself and then a picture of myself that I like. Next we have goals and objectives concept map. This is just like you got the main goal right here for ELRC, and these are just the little ways that I'll be able to achieve my goal for this class. And then the next assignment that we have is Canva, or the Canva Assignments. So this is my travel brochure to Dubai. It's a map of Dubai, Dubai Mall, Burj Khalifa, place to eat, special events. There's a fact about Dubai. There's my mobile app slideshow. Actually, one thing too, I had to go back to biography. I missed the assignment, Canva assignment. Here's a meet me from Las Vegas. My brothers and my family, and my hobbies, and my future plans. So now here we have the mobile app slideshow. I did an app called Metaverse. Here's my YouTube movie project. We did it in the PMAC, or did it with Kendall and Adam. And final projects is here's my green screen presentation. We just presented those in class. But yeah, last thing is Screencast, and that's this assignment right here. So all I can really say is you've been really good to us as students. So I just wanted to thank you a lot for all the time that you put into us this year, Miss Debbie. I really appreciate it.